know every one of my stories.
You know every one of mine. I guess it's official. We're an old married couple.
Nice!
We did it!
Well, if it isn't the most here for a romantic weekend away from the kids. It's a good thing there's no guests on either side of you, because those bed springs are going to squeak like mice in a cheese factory, am I right? Just don't break any of the laughs like your friends Barney and Robin, okay?
That's not how that went,
No, of course not. You have fun.
What lamp is this?
The lamp Robin broke the day of the wedding.
No.
Oh my God, you don't know this one. Oh, man. This is a good one. It's got everything. Intrigue, betrayal.
I was thinking we could chug some memories instead. Barney and Robin, lovers forever and ever and ever. A love story. Sounds cheesy. I'm gonna go barf forever and ever and ever. See you, hosers. That's not cheesy.
Det här har jag inte provat förut. Så får vi se om man kan. Ja! Yuki!
Can you tell me the name of the guest staying in room 9?
I'm sorry. That would violate hotel privacy.
Well, maybe my old friend Mr. Lincoln can emancipate that information.
I'm so sorry. I wasn't clear.
Ja!
I can't violate our hotel privacy policy. The $5. Room belongs to Miss Susan Top.
Raster.
Oh boy. God. I can't wait to be beside you. Bonnie, get out here. This is your wedding day.
Where is he? Look, I just grossly overpaid for some information about this room, so I know it's accurate. This room belongs to Susan
Ja,
Susan
duktig!
Top.
Who?
Sue Top. Suit up.
Bra! Bra
I need you to
tjej!
help me pick the suit I'm gonna wear when I walk down the aisle.
Okay, Robin walks down the aisle. You wait at the end of it.
Okay, then the suit I'll be wearing when they all stand as I enter the
That's
chapel.
also her.
Really?
Oh.
Some would get boned in the whole wedding thing, don't they?
Okay. All right. Well, let's pick you a suit. What are the top contenders?
Well, after careful consideration, I have narrowed it down to these ones, and these ones, and the other ones in this room, and all the ones in the adjoining room.
So you've narrowed it down to all your suits.
Yeah, we're screwed.
And this is a picture of the restaurant where you and Barney had your first date. And now you're getting married. And this is the receipt from the meal you and Barney ate at that restaurant on your first date. And now
Ja!
you're getting married. We'll look at this later. Later? There is no later. Robin, this is a day you only get to do once. You need to appreciate the importance of it right now. Oh my God.
Ja!
Oh,
Bra!